So I got this at a during Asia experience. It was this Asian event I went to earlier in the year in May, I believe, ending of May, May 27 to be exact, if I recall correctly. So this is, as you may have guessed, Korean language. So this is it. It's a bookmark. This is the lettering inside, and then this is what's here at the back. There's nothing inside. It's just plain, yeah. And this means, I mean, I wasn't entirely sure, but anyways, I double checked, and it's thanks to Google Lens and the fact that I took a picture with the page that shows what it's supposed to mean. It it says everyone has their own parts. That's just this part here. This is just decor, and then this here shows how my name Elizabeth is written in Korea. This is actually just a heart. So it's just Elizabeth with a heart. Really cute.
So I'm going to show how you can use Google Lens to translate words that are in a language that is foreign to you. So you just this it's I'm looking at this picture that I took, which is in my Google Photos. So that's why you're able to see these four options at the bottom: share, edit, lens, delete. So when you click on lens, see it automatically highlights the text that are in there, and then you just come to translate, and voila, it even shows that, oh, it's Korean, that is translated it to English. So it says that, oh, it means everyone has their own way. But item 18, which is actually shows the correct interpretation, it actually does mean everyone has their own path. So it's somewhat similar. So that's how you can use Google Lens to interpret text, even if it's on a picture that you've taken. It's the same thing with the information that's at the back of the bookmark. So this is where you can see here. And when I translate it just by clicking on lens at the bottom, it highlights the part that you can read, and I click on translate. And but I wasn't able to detect that it was Korean, but voila, it showed my name. Isn't this so awesome? Technology is just really awesome, I tell you.